Hey guys, Scotty here from the Hook and the Cook with Paul. We're at NOOSA Headland today. We're going to do a spot of potholing, see if we can find any brim, dart, who knows what we might find. Should be an interesting session, Paul.
We might hook a surfer out there. There's that many of them out there at the moment.
Yeah. So we're just making our way down to a little cove which is on the NOOSA Headland. And as you can see, it's just out through here.
For ages.
Yeah. We should have left our rods at home and brought our boards, I think. It's a beautiful day out here. Lovely bit of swell running. Let me just run you through the gear we're using today, guys. Of course, I'm using my favourite outfit, my Alvy. 12-foot rod, nice and soft. There's my tackle box, hooks and sinkers, keep it simple. And then my favourite rig. An O-ball sitting on top of a #1 hook. Pearl prawns for bait. Nice and easy. So Paul's already headed around the headland. He's just over the other side of these rocks. I'll go and join him and see if we can find a few fish. All right, Paul's down here. And he's opted for a threadline outfit today. Just working in plastic at the moment.
Yeah, I'm not wearing these shoes again. They're a bit slippery. It's not great for the rock.
Yeah, just play it safe. Beautiful wave here at the point today.
Quite rocky, eh? Are these the sort of spots that you fish, Scotty, just here?
Yeah, there's a nice little deep hole just here in front of us where the wave's reforming. In behind that rock, just beside you there. It's a nice gutter. Yeah. And Paul's got the first fish on. Looks like a little brim. Yeah, nice. Good start, mate.
Yeah, thank you. First time I've been on.
Oh, Paul's showing me up today. He's on the second one.
And then there was nothing on it. It must have been on the top of the wave. Only a small little Moses perch.
Oh, a little Moses perch. Oh, it's something different. Well, it's something we don't catch in Sydney off the rocks.
That's right.
How good's that? Little Moses perch.
They're really good to eat.
Yeah.
Absolutely beautiful. On the channel, guys, I cooked one of these up on the coals. You'll love it. I got a good one outside, and they're a fantastic eat.
Moses perch. Thank you, guys.
Oh, Scotty's on a good fish at the moment. That's a belter. What is this? Hey? That's a good fish, Scotty.
Yeah. No, nice brim.
Good brim?
Yeah,
looks like a Moses.
Not huge.
Moses perch?
Oh, another perch. Yeah.
Oh, I thought he was huge. Not a bad size though, he's alright.
Yeah, no, he's alright. Gave me a good run anyway.
Yeah.
Look at that.
There's a heap of them down there, right?
My first Moses perch, potholing.
Well done, brother. I noticed how he's just decided that he wants to perch himself right next to me. I hope you've noticed that, guys. He's perched himself right next to me.
There we go.
He was on the other rock a minute ago. Now he's stealing all my fish.
Now the Moses perch is a legitimate. It's in the same family as the mangrove jack, black bass, and many other fish.
There's a perch, isn't it? I think.
Yep, beautiful.
Thank you.
Well, that's our first spot. Paul's just taken off ahead of me. The beauty of being this potholing, you just move from spot to spot. We're just going to go up now a little bit further up the side of those couple of surfers, up on those pebbly edge there, and see if we can extract a fish from that spot. Okay, we're up on our second spot now. First bait. Righto, we got one on. Not a big fish. Not a bad brim. There we go. We'll just head down to see what Paul's got. He's got another nice brim by the looks of it.
Oh, tiny.
Hey?
I thought he was big.
Oh, another Moses. Another little Moses.
Young gentleman here called Anya.
Hey,
Good on
Anya.
you. Like good on you?
How you
told him
going?
if we catch a big one, we'll give it to him.
Oh, okay.
Big one?
Big one for dinner.
Yeah.
Hey, how you
We're going to
doing?
be on YouTube now, mate.
That's good.
Yeah. You're not wanted by the police or anything, are you?
Oh, that's something different.
What the hell's that? What is that?
I know. Something different.
That must be a Filipino fruit.
Something different, potholy.
That's not it for me.
Well, not too bad. We've been here about 5 minutes and Paul got a beautiful brim. And I've had a few bites, so I'll wander back down now and see if I can get amongst them. Whether you're catching fish or not on Noosa Point, it's not bad watching all the surfers anyway. It's a beautiful afternoon down here. Another species of what nice little whiting. Racking up the species this afternoon here on the stones at Noosa. We've moved up now to our third spot. We've done okay on the last two spots. A few small brim, Moses perch and a mix of other things, even a whiting.
Yep.
What we're looking for when we find these spots are these little dips in the rock. So it just performs a nice little bit of an eddy there and gives you a chance to float a bait. Otherwise, the way the swell's running today, it runs down the rocks really fast. So you've got to find these little dips, a little bit of deep water, that's where the fish are holding. And so far, it's worked for us.
Yeah, it's doing well.
Let's go and have a go here.
There we go, guys. That's what we've come down here for. Scotty told me there'd be brim underneath those rocks. And it pays to listen to the experts. Beautiful brim bar off the rocks. You'll be happy with that one. It's good fun. I must admit, I don't do very much rock fishing, but yeah, this is great fun. Get this bite back in the water. You giving up? You're giving up. Come on, mate. You did pretty well. I think you did really well, mate.
I think you top scored.
I don't know about that. No. I don't think so. I think you did all right.
Oh guys, I hope you enjoyed that clip. Paul and I had a lot of fun out here on the Noosa headland, just wander along, potholing. It's a good way to fish and really enjoyable. We got a good mixed bag, didn't we?
Yeah, we had a bit of a laugh with a couple of the local tourists as well.
Yeah,
They all
plenty
wanted
of
us
fun.
to feed them, but we didn't do that, unfortunately.
Plenty of surfing activity,
Yeah.
which was fantastic to watch and getting some fantastic waves out there, you really are. Anyway guys, we'll see you next week somewhere on the water. Please subscribe to our channel. We'll see you real soon. Cheers.
Don't forget that notifications bell, guys, so you get all our new content. Cheers, guys.